Solana Price Prediction 2022. In a previous video, we briefly talked about Solana and briefly talked about its phantom wallet. However, in that video, we did not talk too much about its history and price prediction. That is why in this video, we are going to talk about Solana and why we think it is a must invest for this year. Welcome to today's installment of Crypto Cash Out, where we bring you the latest in the world of the crypto space. As we dive into the video, we would like to make it clear that we are not giving any piece of advice on whether or not you should invest in one or the other, as we are not financial experts and we only seek to inform you. So please do some additional research after watching this video. Before it became one of the top 5 coins in the market, the idea of Solana officially began in the year 2017 when the creator Anatoly Yakovenko joined forces with Greg Fitzgerald and Eric Williams to develop a blockchain that is infinitely scalable. Yakovenko used his past experiences as a Dropbox engineer and used his knowledge in the development of Solana. Then in March 2020, they officially revealed and debuted it to the public as an open source blockchain platform so that users can use the centralized application and marketplaces in a fast, safe, and scalable experience. A couple of months after that, Solana teamed up with Serum, also an upcoming blockchain, to build DEX, a non-custodial location and trade of derivatives in which the public was pleased with. Serum wants to ensure that users get the most recent price. That is why they created the Central Limit Order Book or CLOB in chain, so users will be updated every 400 milliseconds. Because of the moves and development that Solana has made over the past several months, they are now regarded as revolutionary in the blockchain department. Also considered to be a good substitute for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other blockchains that make use of the proof of work consensus because of its hybrid system that employs both proof of history and proof of stake consensus. Some people are even going as far as naming it as the Ethereum killer. But how did they do it? Well, before climbing up to the crypto ladder, they had a sale-like start before growing massively by the end of 2020, reaching some of its all-time highs, and it continued its bullish run all through 2021. In November 2021, it hit its all-time high so far at more than $260. But at the time of writing this video, SOL is valued at $148, but it does not stop people from looking into it, as more than $2.8 billion worth of assets are on the move each day. With the market cap of almost $49 billion, it is clear that a lot of people see Solana hitting new all-time highs in the upcoming year, especially as more and more people are using it as an alternative to Ethereum to store their assets. Because of this, a lot of people see Solana picking up where it left off in 2021 and see another bullish run by 2022. According to CoinCora, they see Solana breaking their all-time high of $260, especially if they continue with the trust the investors have in them. But if they fail to get the support of investors, they are seen to drop to less than $70, but I don't see that happening for a reason we will talk about later. The next prediction comes from Public Ox, where in an article they published they see the price of SOL to breach the $300 mark, eventually reaching an all-time high of $350. Even the predictors from Changelly blog are seeing that Solana may ultimately reach $400, which is just insane to say the least. More predictions include seeing them reach $250 by the end of 2024 from Trading Beasts. Another sees them to be valued at $1,500 per token at the year 2025, according to GovDebt Capital. Wallet investors sees the similar growth, valuing them at $950 at 2025. Lastly, Coin Arbitrage also sees Solana to spike in the following years, predicting that they will peak at $635 sometime soon. As you can see, there are differing opinions on the actual price of SOL, as it is really hard to predict where it is headed with the recent developments they have made. But assuming they continue this run they're on, it is clear that most of them see Solana to succeed in the near future. As Solana is gearing up for a prosperous 2022, it is important to also look beyond this year and see where the crypto goes in the following years. Solana's greatest threat to their success is the presence of bigger and well-established blockchains that are present in the market already, like Ethereum. But Solana is not called Ethereum killer for no reason. A lot of people see SOL reaching $300 to $400 and maintain its position all throughout 2023. In 2025, Solana is also seen to reach $800, especially with the progress they have made with decentralized financing or DeFi and its usability even in our mobile phones. Even though it is hard to predict the future and totally say that Solana will surpass the 800 mark, and with how it has been continually rising in the past months, it is safe to say that Solana will fall off anytime soon. There are even predictions for 2030, seeing the price of SOL reaching high to hit the $3,000 mark. I can say that because of the analysis of some experts. Remember that Solana started at less than $1 when they started rolling on their market in April 2020. With wise decisions in a good system, Solana had their first sign of growth in September, the same year when they surpassed the $4 mark, and that was their all-time high at that time. But everything was different when the new year came. In 2021, Solana again had a slow start, not even coming close to their all-time high ever since hitting it. But when they released Phantom Wallet early in the year, their price skyrocketed to a super impressive 5,000% until the end of the year, now having an all-time high of $260. Also, the wallet they developed made it easier for users to access their NFTs and other digital assets and collectibles because it supported Ledger Nano X. By the end of the year, there were 1.8 million users of the Phantom Wallet, which just supported the tremendous growth of Solana. Now, we won't talk too much about the Phantom Wallet as we already talked about it in a previous video. But basically, we think that the success of Solana is centered around the success of Phantom because of how easy to use, secure, and scalable it is for everyone. Now couple that with the staking feature of Phantom Wallet and you have the recipe for success. Because of this powerful combo that Solana's Phantom have, it would be hard not seeing them rise through the market and continue reaching new all-time highs. And also keep in mind that even if they have made some moves, they still plan to develop and improve their system, which means they may reach prices even higher than what is predicted, assuming they continue this bullish run they have. The choice is always up to you, whether you start investing for the long run or maybe even in short term with the recent success of their Phantom Wallet. If they continue their impressive run, there is no reason to say that they won't end the year on a higher price. If you want to purchase some Solana and invest for the long run, you can head on to Binance, YouBuy Global, and OKX as they are just some of the few trusted systems where you can exchange tokens for it. The system of DeFi is new in the crypto scene, but it has taken it by storm and is innovating banking in ways you have never thought of before. And Solana being one of the cryptos that follow the application of decentralized application and DeFi, it seeks to enhance safety and scalability with the hybrid consensus that they follow to improve their system. We are now experiencing the shift to a different style of financing in banking and crypto, together with the innovations made on it, might be the biggest change yet. With the success of DeFi, Solana has the potential to be the best cryptocurrencies out there as it is already up there in the rankings and they are still not done improving themselves to give users better experience. And with Solana's growth over the past 2 years has attracted a lot of people, especially seeing how it is predicted that SOL will continue to skyrocket in the future. But what do you think? Will you also ride the hype around Solana and believe in the success of Phantom? Well, you should leave a comment down below of what you think about Solana and its future for a chance at a shoutout giveaway. If you have made it this far in the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. It takes you only a couple of seconds and it's free. If you want to learn more about Solana's Phantom Wallet, click here to watch the previous video where we also talk about 5 other cryptocurrencies that are set to have bullish 2022. Thank you for watching and until next time, have fun cashing out.